Jai Shri Krishna and welcome to my channel Ayush Nadyana Creations. If you are worried about going out of the house in this COVID pandemic situation to buy Rakhis, but you also want to have a unique Rakhi for this Raksha Bandhan, then this video is here to satisfy your both the conditions. Yes, this tutorial video is for how to make a beautiful and unique Lumba Rakhi at home very easily with easily available and moreover the cheap materials. So let's get started. To make this Lumba Rakhi, let's see the materials that we need. We need some pearls like this. You can take any pearls that of your choice, any thread, a needle, scissor, any kind of thread which you would like. You can take ribbons too. I have taken red color woolen thread, any glue, foam flowers. Now on one end of the thread apply some glue to make it stiff so that pearl can pass from that. Measure how much you want it, cut. Now add one pearl and join both the ends. Pass these ends from a needle like this. Now remove the stem from the foam flower and then pass it through the needle into the thread like this, upside down. Now add one white pearl, one golden pearl, and then we'll add the 9 white pearls. We'll make such 3 strings. In one string we will have in the upside part 9 pearls, in the second one we'll have 6 pearls, and in the third one we'll have 3 pearls. So we will get the Latkan effect. Now you can see our Latkan is made so beautifully. It has also got that Latkan effect as we reduce the 3 pearls in every string. So now let's keep it aside and make the center part of it. For that you will need the 4 foam flowers with stem. Straighten up their stems and then bend it like this as shown. Then arrange it as I am doing. Hold it from below. Arrange the flowers again. And then twist it so that all the 4 that comes together. And again adjust your flowers. Now cut off the excess stem part. It's made so beautifully. Now take your latkans, place it like this, apply glue on the ends to make it stiff and cut off the excess part, if any. Now add some pearls. Now we will add a foam flower upside down like this, and that center part that we made, and a foam flower in vertical like this, in upside side. Now we will add one golden pearl and 5 white pearls, one another golden pearl, now 3 white pearls, one this bigger golden, and one white pearl. So our lumba is almost done. Keep it aside. Take that thread that we kept aside, or ribbon which you had taken, in its between part. See, as I am doing, do same like that. Check no threads are visible. Now make a knot here. Make more 2 to 3 knots like this only to ensure more strength. To make it more strong, apply some glue, very little, and then cut off the excess thread. See, our lumba is so beautifully made. It's looking so lush and gorgeous. Your bhabhi is surely gonna love it. Try it this Raksha Bandhan and do let me know your reviews in the comment section below. Also, if you want any other tutorial video, then let me know in the comments. Please give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. Thank you.